to the Ingles table.
Susie and Clark Neal here from the Ingles table and Unicoi preserves.
Today, we've got something for you that's fun, different, and delicious. It's our Southwest sweet potato salad.
We've already been to Ingles and picked up these fantastic ingredients, and we're ready to go.
So to get started, Clark, what do you have here?
I've got some peeled and chopped sweet potatoes, some purple onion. If you will add that purple onion to the bowl.
Sure thing. So spice-wise, what do we have?
We got some, I smelled that. That smelled like cumin.
That's right.
That looks like coriander,
Coriander. We've got a little kick. We're going to add some red pepper flakes and also some kosher salt.
And a little bit of olive oil, and I'll toss all this together to make sure everything gets incorporated well. We're going to put this on a sheet pan lined with a silicone baking mat.
So we're going to roast these in the oven, and while they're roasting, we'll make our dressing. These roast really fast.
And we're going to roast these in the oven on the middle rack.
All right, and while Clark's putting that in the oven, we're going to make the dressing. This is a really flavorful dressing. We've got some fresh lime zest going in. If you'd give me a little scrapey scrape. We've got our lime juice, some Laura Lynn olive oil, and then last but not least, a little salt and pepper to season it. All right, you keep whisking. Here you go.
All right, and that's it for the dressing. Now, once these vegetables roast, we're gonna, about the midway point, we're gonna flip them around on the pan to make sure they're cooking evenly. Once they're done roasting, we'll come back and show you how to assemble the salad. Now, those look perfect. We're looking for them to be fork tender, but we're not really looking for caramelization in this recipe. You just want them to be cooked all the way through.
So to this, we're going to add our Laura Lynn baked black beans.
Chopped fresh cilantro.
And this is that dressing that we made when we put the potatoes into the oven.
So be gentle when you stir this. It's nice to kind of go under the bottom and just kind of rotate this around. You don't want to break up the sweet potatoes because they're very soft at this point. And that's it.
I know you and your family are going to love this wonderful treat.
We want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Make sure and enjoy the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
See you next time.